This is like the one Paramount Center in EBL North in Bloomington. Some Otis's. I hear one. I honestly thought that was gonna be an Epco lantern. Oh, okay, interesting. Looks like these are Westinghouse, I think. Yeah, Westinghouse. 3,000 pound capacity, COP, Otis buttons. I think it's a series 2? I don't remember. Series 2 or 4, I'll tell you that. Well, that sucks, these were modded. But they said AE. That's cool though. This is the motor. This is the beepers in the road, man. I hope no one's out here. Look at that Westinghouse airwalk. It's cool, that's original. Cool cab, I like the mirrors up there. This is nice. Scooch over, Minnesota. 3,000 pound capacity. Wonder where the other one. These would have been cooler when they were original, but these are still interesting. They're actually kind of tall too. Alright, one. Stop there. Original doors. That's a cool lantern. Man, I didn't get it. There it goes. There's this one. That just rang twice. Goofy thing. That's louder. That's what the original indicator was. That probably was a phone. Number 2. Pretty much the same as the other one. And what looks cool. God, these old Westy doors. This one's a little darker. I honestly like these though, but I wish I could see these original. It's like a service not indicator cover. Here too. Why did it ding twice if it's coming up? Alright. There it goes. I got those doors. That'll be it.